Alright, got a cool little Viro 4+1 pin lock. 4 on top, 1 anti-pick pin on the bottom. Neat little lock. Let's see if we can get it open. Using the Cobra Instruments number 3 with the 44 Delta cover on it. Okay, gotta click out of 1 and 2. 3. 4, not getting anything, so let's try that anti-pick pin. Okay. 2, I want to say went over the spool. 3. Gotta click out of 4. Alright, we just got some rotation by hitting the anti-pick pins, so just gotta figure out which one's holding us up here. There it is. Got it. It was number 3 blocking us up. But super cool lock. Highly recommend getting a couple of them. Got the, I don't know if this is the medium or the small. This is the large, which is a 5-pin plus 1. But I got them on Amazon. Give them a shot. Pretty cool.